In this video, we can focus on how to configure shift timing and rules in My Payroll Master. Shift timing and rule settings defines the payable hours calculated for an employee when assigning to a shift. To set up a shift timing and rules, go to Company Setup. Then click on Shift Timing and Rules. By using company shift rules, you can create shift policy groups. To create shift policy group, click the New button. First give policy title. Then select the working days. We are also having option to select half day. You can only give half day option to the selected working days. Next is to set shift times. Add in time and out time. After selecting in time and out time, duration will come automatically. Next enter latent limit and early out limit. If the latent limit is set as 5, the employee is having an option to punch till that latent limit. This is also applicable for early out limit. Next set full day minute. That is, it should not be greater than total duration. Next is half day minute. This you can give according to company policy. That is, it should not be greater than full day minute and total duration. And the point to be noted is, if the employee covers the limit given for the full day and half day, then only that employee will be shown as present for the day. For example, if an employee covers half day minute on a day, that is half of the total duration, it means the employee is present for half day only. In shift time setting, next day option is also available. This option is for night shift employees. If you set in time as 18:30 and out time, after clicking next day option only, this is applicable. The employee working in next day option for this timing will be shown present on that particular day. Next is shift rules. Shift rules is setting according to company policy. First option is strict monitoring. Strict monitoring means, for example, if your punching time is 9:30 and out time is 15:30, entries within this margin will only be calculated as payable hours. Next is flexible timing. That is, flexible timing means whatever timing we are setting for full day minute, employee can work around the clock at any time at the particular day. Next is multi-shift. If the employee working for more than a shift at a stretch, you can enable multi-shift option. For example, multi-shift option is enabled for hospitality, security, etc. When you enable multi-shift option, two other options will appear: number of shifts and balance considered as monthly working balance. First is number of shift. If number of shift is marked as 2 and the employee worked for full day minutes, then it's shown employee's working day as 2. Balance considered as monthly working balance. If you work more than full day minutes, it is considered as monthly working balance. It can be either selected as OT, compensating or none of the above. If you are selecting OT, the balance working time will be considered as overtime. Next is how to fix overtime for employees. It can be either selected as overtime minimum time after shift or overtime minimum time before shift, or both together. Minimum time after shift. If we give 30 as time after shift, OT will be considered only after 30 minutes. If you work for 29 minutes, it won't be considered as OT. Same rule is applicable for minimum time before shift. Next, select salary component for OT. like bonus, performance incentive, etc. Next is working on off day. If the employee worked on off day, that is on holiday or week off, you can consider that as OT or compensating off. Next option is shift allowance. Shift allowance is additional payment given for an employee for their working days like shift allowance, bonus, etc. Next is exception. When you select, options will appear. The selected working days will only appear in exception days. First select the day. Then set the exception in time and out time. For example, first set our normal working days. Set the full day minute. Give the half day minute. Then give exception in time and out time. So for exceptional day, our working hour will be given in exceptional duration. Then select week off. When you select first, this exception condition will work on that month first Monday only. If you are selecting all, this exception condition will work on all Mondays of that month. Once you are done, click Save. This shift timing is setting for employees applicable for shift roles. Thank you.